Ever wrestled with a Microsoft Word document that inexplicably mashes all your pages together, turning your intended masterpiece into one giant, unreadable scroll? Let's fix that. First, let's identify the culprit. Section breaks. Go to the Layout tab, then click on Breaks. Select Next Page Break to insert a new page, then delete the breaks that are merging the pages. If section breaks aren't the issue, show paragraph marks by clicking the paragraph symbol. Excessive paragraph marks can sometimes cause this. Delete any unnecessary paragraph marks to see if this separates your pages. Next, right-click anywhere in the text, select Paragraph, and then go to the Line and Page Breaks tab. Ensure that options like Keep with Next or Keep Lines Together are unchecked, as these can force content onto the same page. Finally, let's check the page setup. Go to the Layout tab and select Size, Orientation, and Margins as desired. Sometimes, incorrect margin settings or page size can cause content to overflow and merge pages. By checking these common causes, section breaks, paragraph settings, and page setup, you should be able to restore order to your Word document and enjoy clearly defined pages. Once again, thanks for watching.